Face down, ass up, that's the way we like to fuck. Face down, ass up, that's the way we like to fuck. Face down, ass up, that's the way we like to fuck. Face down, ass up, that's the way we like to fuck. Face down, ass up, that's the way we like to fuck. Face down, ass up, that's the way we like to fuck.
So this is how myself, Donita Tilbury, the woman that everyone is interested in, gets money from the cash machine. Colour one. Oh, there might be some running action here, as it is raining, and I don't want to get my hair frizzy. So come for a jog. As you can see, it's quite hard to run with big breaths, but I do try my hardest. Watch out there, John. I do have a problem where I do laugh. Oh shit, I'm knackered. I do laugh, what's the word?
Laugh.
Spontaneously. Right, okay, this is Lloyd's TSB, this is the cash machine. I'm not gonna have that one, you know. I don't think so. Shall we see how much is in my bank? I think £10 should cover the price of chips and curry sauce down south. I'm not sure, I've heard it's very expensive, but I think £10 should cover a small portion of chips with curry sauce. So yes, I've mastered getting cash from out of cash machines. I think. Just let's hope the money comes out. So yes, we'll have to run back to the car because I don't want my hair to get frizzy. As you can see, I'm very popular. Better get in the car. Call security. Call security. Okay.
Oh look, advertising.
So yeah, that's how it goes. And we've caused a bit of a stir within Pizza Hut. There is a few people staring out of windows. So I'm very popular and I'm knackered now.
I'm a working man from Lancashire and I want a Chippy Chips. That's right.
Okay, we're now going into the Silver Sea Fish Bar, which is in Frimley Green itself. Hi there, you alright? We just after ordering some chips and curry sauce, if that's okay. Yes? Anything else? No, that's fine, thank you. Okay.
Well, how much is it up north?
About £1.50 for chips and curry sauce. Thank you. So just see if the portions are any larger or any smaller, because in Cliff Road there's quite a few chip shops, and their portions can be quite large, or depends on how much you pay. So I haven't asked for a small or large, but it's £2.60, so it's £1 more expensive than what it is up north. So, yes, please.
There's lots going on there. I'd like to say a little bit more.
Well, you try chip.
Can I try it? Chip? Yeah, definitely. Donita. That's brilliant. Thank you. Thank you. Chips. Chippy Chips. Now that is exactly how they do the curry up north.
So not much difference.
No, now it's just a tasting test. I can get it back in the bag. That's brilliant, thank you very much. Thanks so much, have a good evening. Yes, you too. So that was ordering chips and curry sauce for the first time in a northern chip shop. So now it's just the tasting of the chips, just to see if they are any different of quality. I'm not going to eat them myself because we've just been for a really, really crap meal at Harvesters in Milford. So it's a tasting test to my mother. So yeah, tune in next time and we'll have another adventure, maybe queuing up in Asda's.
Fuck face down, ass up. That's the way we like to fuck face down, ass up. That's the way we like to fuck face